Hey everyone, and welcome. Ever feel like your creativity is just stuck? Like there's a wellspring of ideas inside you, but you can't quite tap into it? Whether you're an artist, entrepreneur, or just someone looking to boost your creative thinking, I've got 10 science-backed habits that can help you unlock your full potential. Habit 1. Practice mindfulness. Focus your inner lens. This isn't just about relaxation. It's about training your focus. Think of your mind like a camera lens. When it's unfocused, everything is blurry and indistinct. Mindfulness is like adjusting that lens, bringing clarity and precision. As Dr. Joe Dispenza explains, mindfulness quiets the analytical mind, that constant chatter of thoughts and worries, allowing your subconscious mind to take the lead. This is where your true creative insights emerge. Scientifically, mindfulness has been shown to increase gray matter in the prefrontal cortex, the area of the brain responsible for attention and decision-making. So, by practicing mindfulness, you're literally strengthening your ability to focus. Try dedicating just 10 minutes a day to focused breathing. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and simply pay attention to the sensation of your breath. You'll be surprised at how much sharper your focus becomes, leading to more original and innovative ideas. Habit 2. Embrace boredom, the spark of daydreaming. Believe it or not, boredom can be a catalyst for creativity. It's when our minds wander that the magic happens. Boredom activates what's called the default mode network, DMN, in your brain. This network is like a mental playground where different ideas and experiences can connect and interact, generating novel insights. It's like letting your brain go off-road, exploring uncharted territory. Research from Dr. Sandy Mann shows that even mundane activities like copying phone numbers can trigger this process. It's because these tasks don't require much conscious thought, freeing up your mind to wander. So, schedule some tech-free time. Go for a walk without your phone, fold laundry, or do any repetitive task that allows your mind to drift. You might be surprised at the creative sparks that ignite. Habit 3. Freewriting, silencing the inner critic. Our biggest enemy often isn't external. It's internal. Our inner critic. How many times have you had an idea, only to have that inner voice immediately shoot it down? It's not good enough, it whispers. Someone's already done that. Freewriting is a powerful way to silence that critic. It's about bypassing the analytical mind and letting your thoughts flow freely, without judgment. Julia Cameron's morning pages are a perfect example. She suggests writing 3 pages of whatever comes to mind first thing in the morning. The key is not to edit or censor yourself. Just let the words flow. This helps you tap into your subconscious and uncover hidden ideas you might have otherwise dismissed. Habit 4. Sleep on problems. Let your subconscious work its magic. Sometimes the best solution is to literally sleep on it. During sleep, especially REM sleep, your brain consolidates memories, strengthens neural connections, and explores new possibilities. It's like your brain is running a background process, sorting through information and making unexpected connections. Studies show that REM sleep can improve problem solving by up to 40%. This isn't just a folktale, it's backed by science. So before bed, consciously think about a challenge you're facing and frame it as a question. This gives your subconscious a direction to work in. Keep a notebook by your bed to capture any insights that might surface upon waking. Habit 5. Embrace constraints. The power of limitations. Constraints might seem limiting, but they can be a powerful catalyst for creativity. They force you to think outside the box and find innovative solutions. When you have unlimited options, it can be overwhelming, but when you have limitations, it forces you to be more resourceful. Think about Dr. Seuss writing Green Eggs and Ham, using only 50 words. This seemingly impossible constraint led to a timeless classic. So, try limiting your tools, setting a word count, restricting your color palette, or imposing a time limit. You might be surprised at the creative solutions you discover. Habit 6. Take regular walks. Inspiration in motion. Walking is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to boost creativity. A Stanford study found that walking can increase creative output by up to 60%. And nature walks are even more beneficial, as they reduce stress and improve focus. Many geniuses throughout history have understood the power of walking. Steve Jobs was known for his walking meetings. Beethoven often found inspiration during his walks in nature, and philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche famously said, "All truly great thoughts are conceived while walking." Why does it work? Walking increases blood flow to the brain, promoting cognitive function and creativity. So, incorporate a 20-minute walk into your daily routine, ideally outdoors, and let your mind wander as you move. Habit 7. Switch tasks periodically, combating cognitive fatigue. Creativity isn't just about intense focus, it's also about strategic breaks. Working on the same task for too long leads to cognitive fatigue, a state of mental exhaustion that impairs your ability to think clearly and creatively. Switching tasks gives your brain a chance to recover and refocus. As David Epstein explains in Range, diverse experiences lead to more innovative thinking. It's because by engaging in different types of thinking, you create new neural pathways. So try alternating between different types of tasks throughout your day. For example, switch from brainstorming to something more physical, like cooking or exercise. This not only combats fatigue but also stimulates different parts of your brain, leading to more creative breakthroughs. Habit 8. Play and experiment. The serious business of fun. Don't underestimate the power of play. It's not just for kids, it's essential for unlocking your creative potential. Play activates the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for problem-solving, flexible thinking, and innovation. It's like a mental workout for creativity. Einstein famously said, "Play is the highest form of research." He often played the violin to relax and stimulate his mind. So make time for hobbies and playful activities. Build something, doodle, play a game, or try something new. It's not just about having fun, it's about nurturing your creative mind. Habit 9. Set clear goals with breaks. Working smarter, not harder. Productivity isn't about putting in 12-hour days. It's about working smart. Our brains tend to work in roughly 90-minute cycles. Overworking leads to diminishing returns, while strategic breaks help recharge your focus. The Pomodoro technique, working for 25 minutes followed by a 5-minute break, is a great way to structure your work. But consider extending this to 90-minute blocks with longer 15 to 20-minute breaks. This isn't just about being more productive at work, it's about making time for the other important things in your life. Taking a break to say hi to your family, go for a short walk, or simply relax allows you to return to your work refreshed and with a renewed perspective. Habit 10. Visualize success, the power of mental rehearsal. Finally, visualize your success. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's a powerful technique used by athletes, artists, and entrepreneurs alike. Visualization helps prime your brain for action by activating the neural pathways associated with the task. It's like a mental rehearsal, preparing your mind and body for success. Olympic athletes often visualize their performances before competing, and Michael Phelps famously used visualization to perfect his swimming technique. The beauty of visualization is that it's entirely within your control. You don't need anyone else's approval or validation. It's about aligning your subconscious mind with your goals. By vividly imagining yourself succeeding, you create a powerful blueprint for your actions and increase your chances of achieving your desired outcome. These habits aren't just tools, they're the foundation for unlocking your full creative potential. Start small, be consistent, and let your creative storm roar. If you enjoyed this and want more insights and ideas to fuel your creativity, please don't forget to subscribe to Paperstorm. I promise to do better every time for you. Thanks for watching.